Hey, what's going on, people? This is Chris from Unbox Addiction. Here is a look at the Cooper Kai keyboard case for my wife's iPad 4. Unfortunately, I don't have an official unboxing. My wife already took it out the box and paired it and hooked it up, so it's just the device itself. This is an older device. Like I said, it's for an iPad 4. She just uses her iPad, but she wanted a keyboard or keyboard case more or less just to reply to messages, emails, do some light web browsing, but she didn't necessarily feel a need for a laptop for the stuff that she does, and I agreed with her. So hey, we got this for her. Here's the port to plug the keyboard case, and here's a USB. It's not for any kind of data transfer. It's just strictly to charge your iPhone or your USB device through the actual keyboard itself. So that's good. Because the keyboard operates on a separate battery. So as you can see, here's the cutouts for the logo, the volume switch, and the sleep and silent, the sound and that silent switch, power button, headphone jack. So it has the proper cutouts. Let's go ahead and crack this baby open. And there it is, as you can see. My wife seems to like it. My only thing about it is the keyboard's a little bit too small than what I like, or the keys are too small than what I like. And when I'm actually typing, this little area right here is not really good for resting your hands. It makes your hands a little cramped. But again, it seems to work for her, but it's just not for me. So like she already has this thing paired up and everything. So let me go ahead and turn it on. Use the passcode to get in. All right, so as you can see here, here's the switches. There's the on-off switch to actually use the keyboard. There's the Bluetooth pairing button. And then here's the power switch. You turn this on to charge your iPad or whatever through the USB. So, I mean, it's a full keyboard. It has all the function keys as far as the home button and the play, pause, volume keys for your day, for if you know playing music and whatnot. Give me 1 second and I'll go ahead and try to sync this up. Let me pull up Pages or, Word, whatever word processing you have. I mean, it syncs up pretty good. I mean, let's go ahead and type something. So as you can see, I mean, it works pretty well. And like I said, it responds pretty good. It syncs up pretty well. And that's pretty much it, man. There's not a lot for me to talk about it. My wife seems to like it. Me, I just think the keyboard and the keys is just too small. But, I mean, they had to do that for the size of the iPad 4. I mean, it's not a pro model where it's like 10 or 11 or 12 inches. So I'm pretty sure those keyboards would probably feel a lot better. So if you have small hands or if you think this is comfortable for you, I mean, it gets the job done. So anyway, that's it. If you like these videos, please like, comment, subscribe. If not, well, I thank you for watching anyways. You guys have a good weekend. Take care.